Hi, it's V. Let's vibe. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I travel around Jamaica and I show you how beautiful Jamaica is, and that is what I'm going to do today. I'm here in my trachea jacket. If you know, you know. If you don't, leave it alone. Yeah, it's one of those days that I've had a rough day, roughish day. I was deciding how I would decompress to, you know, relax my brain a little bit, and something dawned on me, and I said I would share it with you, and maybe by sharing it with you it might cheer me up a little bit. So I'm going to share what I'm doing with you. Just it's quite unfortunate that I can't do more than that, but yeah. So I'm gonna quickly show you. There's a new spot in town that they do the painting. I always talk about the painting and all of that and what they've been doing to gentrify up downtown and them things. So I was thinking about going to the waterfront just to make it look a sea water, but sea breeze touch my face and kind of relax me. But I have a better idea. Sea breeze same way, but somewhere else. So come with me on my trachea top. I don't know how I find that so funny. Anywho, and for those looking for a clue, that's a clue. And if you find a clue there, you completely, you solve the whole puzzle. But anywho, yeah, so stay tuned. I'll show you in a bit. Just in case you're wondering, I'm coming in from St. Thomas, so I'm at the Harbour View roundabout by this time. So I'm gonna show you one and two little clips, and me show you what me show you, yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So today will be downtown, yeah. And if you know, you know that I enjoy downtown for many different reasons. Culture comes alive down there, and I just like to observe it. But this is something new, so that is me in terms of the coronation aspect and just watching downtown. But for this part, I enjoy the close, so the waterfront aspect. You know, the Kingston Harbour kind of aspect, as we see here, because it offers me the opportunity to feel the sea breeze, and just to know that, you know, just to watch nature overall is just something else. I don't know, I feel like God knew, you know, like, well, alright, so this is my thing. You know, like when kids are getting fussy and thing, and we say we're going to buy them, or we're going to push them, or whatever we do. So we make one little sound to make them think that. I feel like God knew that we would need some sounds to kind of buy a we as adults, you know. So He offered us nature. So you'll hear the birds sometimes, and you'll hear just the sound of water does it for me, or on the sound. But yeah, you know. So I feel like He knew that His kids would need something, so He just provide that in nature, and that I'm gonna definitely use that today. Over there where the cars are parked up, I've had lunch over there before. Yeah, and that's just, I don't know, I guess I'm different. But yeah, I like to, even if I'm not nothing, just watching it. If I'm close by, like if it's something we can go wet my foot, let me wet my foot and then get back to it. Like literally. Not even 2 minutes good, walk in there, do what I do, you know, relax and come out. So folks, let me give you a little bit before I reach where I reach. I know so we can really gain a little bit. But yeah, so when we talk about downtown and the whole gentrification, right around here is where Secure Park up here. Right over here, so I go. I've always wanted to stop. I've always been back a little bit later, so never had the opportunity to. So I'm gonna check it out today. I think this is just what the doctor ordered for me. Okay, I go in here, Camellias Extra. This I go on people fish. So I'm gonna eat some food here. I'm gonna go out a little bit, see what I go on outside, feel like a breeze, get like a vitamin D before me eat, and then I'll come back and wrap up, and I'll try to, you know what I'm gonna do? Go span it and give you a view of what I am seeing and why it's so nice. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna call this yet, because I don't even remember what this place is called, but hey.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You see that bird there flying? That's one of the reasons I come in. I'm going to give you a story. So about 3 years ago, a long time I come to waterfront, come cool out. So I left St. Thomas. Had a rough day at work. And I said to myself, you know what? I'm just go down the waterfront, but just kind of, let me put on seatbelt and I'm going to eat. You know, relax my mind and thing. Them time then, VC, yeah, me prepared for road. A road me like. So me have me little fall out the chair where pull out and thing. Sit down right at, you know, the UDC parking lot there. If you know downtown. So right in between there, so we have the thing them, right? Sit down there so with the lawn and thing there. Relax like this. People, me feel a splash right there so. And then me smell one scent. It right. You see when me look? Yes, that happened. The bird, them bird that were fly around, just left a gift right here. So splash up, I had on black again. Splash up my black top. Everything me have to move fast. I look at things as me say, me come prepared for the road. So me have my water, my wipes, everything. So me have to just now wash off. And then me end up, I always have a change of clothes, yeah? So I took off my top and the liquor under the camisole, take them off, change them, and put on back something. Because I was like, what in the world? Of all the people where you see out here, are all of the grown, not even people, because I wouldn't want that to happen to anybody else. But the whole grown you see out here, so you just splash, and it means say right here, so it stop. Right, and just splash down. If I can find one of the pictures, my face kind of looks so it might be funny in the picture, but I just wanted to capture that moment to remind me of what happened. But me I tell you, from them time there, me no ramp with them, and you see me not black again, so me not able. But anyhow, I'm gonna have lunch. I'm gonna give you a little 360, have some lunch, and then I wrap out. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4. done, you know, so feeling a little bit better. Little food in my system, like a sea breeze. Taking a little more, but I'm not keeping it the whole time. But thank you for joining me for this little lunch decompress Rae Town village, all kind of something I want. Fishing village, that is.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So downtown Kingston is well gentrified. Well, I think it used to be the thing there now, but it changed over time, but I think it's getting back to that. I'm looking for the word. When it comes to me, I'll put it in there. But yeah, see there, oh, Grace has stuff to painting and see Grace Kennedy. Yeah man, so when we're talking about, say, I'm rocking the distance there, the hotel that I did. So we're talking about a gentrified downtown, you know what I mean? So it gives you all the vibes that you're looking for. For me, I give you the business side, and it gives you the market cultural side, which all of it is a part of the culture, but we are not side of it. Yes. So because downtown nice, I have to show you 2 and 3 times. So this is the outro, guys. I have a long outro. Until we reach at the end of the road. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today to get me over this hump. That happens from time to time because we're humans. But yeah, thank you for spending the time with me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next parish. See a bird there right at that spot I'm going to talk about the story. To our left, right as I pull up my chair and well relaxed. See that? See the that was something else, man. Them now gonna stop me from coming out though, I'm just more careful.